In this lesson, we're going to build a low poly crane. Alright, so this one's going to be pretty easy. It's a pretty basic shape. If we want, we can go ahead and select it, and then we'll go into isolation mode. And I'm going to go to my left view. And I'm just going to use a box to do this. So let's just left click and drag a box out here. Notice I use the cube creation method, so that's okay. Let's move up here. Let's just kind of put this into position. And I'm just going to convert it to editable poly just to get started with this. So let's go to vertex mode and just very quickly knock this thing out. So let's put it into position over the object. And I'm going to match it up with this side here and then go to polygon mode. Pull this in here. And then select this polygon on the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and extrude that. Let's make sure that's a small amount there. Hit F3. You may hit Alt X. It might help you to get that into position. Let's make sure that we pull this down to here. Pull this over right here. And then with that same polygon selected, let's go ahead and extrude it again. Hit OK. And we'll pull that down to right here. Now we have a curved bottom to that. That's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take care of that here in just a second. So let's go ahead and go around to the front side of this. Let's make sure that we have all the segments we need for the rest of this. So I actually want to take these and I'm going to scale those in some there. And we'll just take this polygon right here. We'll pull that out a little bit. And this one, we'll pull that out to the edge there. And then let's go ahead and go to edge mode, select these two, or all of those, I should say, that ring, and let's connect it. And let's do 2 segments for right now. And then in my front view or your back view, whichever one you want to do, go ahead and just go to vertex mode, and let's pull these into position here. So I'm just going to put that there, put this one here, and then here. And just to kind of tidy some things up really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and select around those vertices, and I'm just going to make planar in the Y direction. Same thing with this one. And then select these, planar in the Z direction. Okay, just to keep things nice and neat there. And pull that out a little bit. All right, great. Now, we have a couple of issues. We need to go to edge mode. Let's hold shift and select around that. Let's do 1 or 2 edges to connect that. I think 2 would give us a better result. Leave our slide at 0 and our pinch at 0. And then I'll go to vertex mode and grab my move tool, and I'm just going to pull these down at the same time. Pull them down until they meet, and then just push those wherever they need to go. I may actually have to do one more segment right down the center, but that's okay. I'm going to pull this up to here, and then I'm going to create another segment. I'm going to hit, actually let's go to edge mode, hit 2 on the keyboard to do that. Select these 2 edges and just use connect, and let's do a single segment with a pinch and slide of 0. And then go to your front view or back view and just pull that out. Something like that. Now this is not really that of an important piece, and so if this doesn't match up exactly, I think we'll be okay. So it's not going to be seen all that often. So alright, so that's our piece there. Now there is a lot of this wasted geometry here in the middle, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these polygon or these vertices here, and I'm just actually going to target weld them to the outside edges. Okay, like that. We'll do this one as well. And then edge mode, both of those, control backspace to remove it. And there we go. So low resolution, hit Alt X, change its color and its name. Let's go ahead and call it LP_crane. Hit enter and apply your material. And there we go. Okay, so in the next lesson, let's go ahead and move on into working in the trigger, and we'll start with that next.